The design of the House of Stones, located in the countryside of São Paulo, is inspired by the beautiful views of the surrounding woods. The layout of this single-story house ensures privacy from neighboring properties. It is shaped like a U, but with one of its legs positioned diagonally to follow the contour of the plot. The house is divided into 3 distinct blocks, separating the spaces into social, private, and service areas. To shield the home's interior from the neighbor's view, imposing stone walls were built along the house's outer perimeter, creating a shell that allows the residents to keep the entire social area open through expansive glass panels. These panels connect seamlessly to the large porch facing the surrounding forest. Large sliding glass panels create an expansive veranda that extends over the natural scenery, offering a sense of seamless integration with nature. The main materials used include stone, glass, concrete, and wood, adhering to the concept of natural materials. The structure is composed of pre-stressed beams that span 12 meters and support large overhangs made of reinforced concrete. The service area is completely isolated from the rest of the house and has its own independent entrance. Upon arrival, we are met with the 2 stone walls supporting a floating concrete roof. The private area connects 6 bedrooms through a hallway, which can also be accessed from the garden.